Which is the other name for refrigerator? Icebox, gearbox, mailbox, toolbox. Okay, correct answer. Icebox, gearbox, mailbox, toolbox. Correct, icebox. Which of these is the name of a fictional superhero? Unbelievable Loud, Unimaginable Lump, Incredible Hulk, or Improbable Oaf? Incredible Hulk, C. Fun answer. Which of these is a type of lettuce? Iceberg, tundra, rainforest, or geyser? Iceberg, A. Fun answer. Which is the car manufacturer brand? Infiniti, Indesit, Intel, or IKEA? Infiniti, A. Fun answer. What is the capital city of Pakistan? New Delhi, Kathmandu, Islamabad, or Dhaka? Islamabad, C. Fun answer. Which of these is a type of golf club? Lamp, dishwasher, iron, or vacuum cleaner? Iron, C. Fun answer. Which band performs the song Natural? Vampire Weekend, Coldplay, One Republic, or Imagine Dragons? Imagine Dragons, D. Fun answer. In 1973, Thomas Edison became the first person inducted into the National Hall of Fame dedicated to whom? Scientists, inventors, writers, or artists? Inventors, B. Fun answer. In which country did the spirit poutine originate? Ireland, Iraq, Iceland, or India? 50-50. Okay, computer, please take away 2 of the wrong answers. Ireland or India? Ireland, A. Fun answer. Which of these is not located on the vehicle's dashboard? Speedometer, ignition key, airbag warning light, or parking brake applied warning light? Ignition key, B. Fun answer. Which of these colors is a shade of white? Tan, cyan, ivory, or magenta? Ivory, C. Fun answer. What kind of dessert is a gelato? Ice cream, creme caramel, sponge cake, or fruit pastry? Ice cream, A. Fun answer. Which of these stationery items can be dipped into a pen? Ink, pencil, ruler, or eraser? Ink, A. Fun answer. In which of these fields is an actuary most likely to work? Education, insurance, agriculture, or optics? Insurance, B. Fun answer. What is the chemical symbol of iodine? I, X, K, or H? K, C. Fun answer. Okay, correct. This is I. $2, please.